Hi everyone, I am Sanjay. Today I am going to present a case study on the BitTorrent protocol. BitTorrent is one of the most popular peer-to-peer file sharing technologies. In this presentation, I will explain what BitTorrent is, how it works, its architecture, advantages, disadvantages, its contribution to sustainable development goals, security issues, and future improvements. What is BitTorrent and how does it work? BitTorrent is a peer-to-peer or P2P file sharing protocol. Unlike traditional downloading, where a file comes from a single server, BitTorrent divides a file into many small pieces. Users download different pieces from multiple computers called peers at the same time. As they receive pieces, they also upload those pieces to others. After all the pieces are downloaded, the file is automatically reassembled into the original file. This method makes downloading much faster and reduces the load on a single server. Peer-to-peer architecture. Now let's look at the architecture of BitTorrent. BitTorrent uses a decentralized peer-to-peer network, which means there is no central server storing the complete file. There are four main components: seeder, leecher, tracker, torrent file or magnet link. Because every user both downloads and uploads, the system becomes faster and more efficient. Advantages and disadvantages. BitTorrent has several advantages. It provides faster download speeds because files come from many peers at once. It reduces server load, is cost effective, supports downloading large files efficiently, and allows interrupted downloads to be resumed. However, it also has some disadvantages. It can be misused for illegal sharing of copyrighted content. There is also a risk of downloading malware or fake files. Downloading speed depends on the number of seeders available, and users may face privacy concerns because their IP addresses are visible. Sustainable Development Goals. BitTorrent contributes to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. For SDG 4, Quality Education, it helps distribute educational videos, ebooks, research papers, and learning materials to students around the world at a very low cost. For SDG 9, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure, it supports efficient digital communication, decentralized networking, reduces bandwidth usage, and is widely used to distribute software such as Linux operating systems. Overall, BitTorrent improves access to information while supporting modern digital infrastructure. Now, security, ethical, and legal issues. Although BitTorrent itself is legal, it should be used responsibly. Some security risks include malware, viruses, fake torrent files, and exposure of users' IP addresses. From an ethical perspective, users should respect copyright laws and intellectual property rights. Legally, downloading or sharing copyrighted content without permission may lead to fines or legal action. Therefore, BitTorrent should only be used for legal and authorized content. Future improvements. In the future, BitTorrent can become even better by using artificial intelligence. AI can detect malicious files before downloading, improve peer selection for faster downloads, and provide stronger encryption to improve user privacy. These improvements can make BitTorrent more secure, reliable, and efficient. To conclude, BitTorrent is an efficient peer-to-peer file sharing protocol that provides and low-cost file distribution. Its decentralized architecture reduces server load and supports large-scale file sharing. At the same time, users should always use it legally and responsibly. With future AI-based security improvements, BitTorrent can become even safer and more effective. Thank you.